Hey babes, today I'm going to be doing this soft grunge makeup look, and if you like, then keep on watching. For foundation today, I'm using my Morphe Lightform Extended Hydration Foundation in Light 02N. And for concealer, I'm going to use some e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is the Lunar Beauty Bronzing and Sculpting Stick in the shade Light Sky. This stuff is so creamy and blends out really nicely. Plus, we're doing some cool toned eyeshadow today, and I feel like this shade goes really well with the look. Okay, moving on. This is the Rare Beauty Blush in Virtue, and this is so pigmented, guys. A little bit goes a long way, and this also blends out really nicely. I've been loving liquid products lately. Everything just blends out so nicely and quickly. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Beauty Wand Highlight in the shade Champagne. This product gives a nice natural glow. I'm obsessed. I find that this applies best with my finger, at least on me. I'm going to use my MCO Beauty Brighten and Correct Banana Powder to set my under eyes. This is really good for brightening up dark circles. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Tarte Cosmetics Face Tape Press Powder in Fairlight Beige. For brows today, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cosmetics Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream in the shade Medium Brown. This is what it looks like, and it's only a couple of dollars. And finally, for eyeshadow, first shade I'm going to use in this palette is Harley as a transition shade. Then I'm going to take the shade Loop on top of that and blend it out with a more compact brush. For glitter, I'm taking the shade Stunnin' with my finger, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. By the way, this is the Glamlite Mikayla palette. With a smaller brush, I'm going to take the shade Willow, and I'm going to pack this onto the outer and inner corners of my eyelid, and then connect it on the top and buff it out. And I'm going to keep on packing on that shade and blending out until it looks like this. I wanted a little something extra, so I took the shade Nas in the middle of that glitter and in my inner corner highlight. I'm just going to wipe off that excess powder that I put under my eyes to protect it from fallout. And again, taking the shade Willow and building the color up on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use some black eyeliner. This one's from Ofra Cosmetics. It's the Verified Liquid Liner. For lashes today, I'm using my Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. This is the shade Toffee Talk from Wet n Wild. I am actually using lashes today. These are Freckles from Kiss Products. And that's it for makeup today. If you're still here, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.